So we're on our secret mushroom collecting expedition here, and we just found what Mark says is Hen of the Woods. Very rubbery, got a rubbery texture.
Don't wreck it all. We might want to eat that.
So this is actually about 4 or 5 pounds of Hen of the Woods. Wow, it's got a lot of weight to it. It's heavy stuff.
It feels like these peel,
yeah,
and they rip down. Look at this. See how they kind of rip off?
Yeah, yeah. So you're just taking the leaves off and doing a little initial cleaning.
Yeah, because by the time you're done with it, like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, see that rips into the body?
Yeah.
But it also liberated the bugs then.
Okay.
Because it seems like she ended up with stuff that essentially looked like shredded.
Yeah.
So this is where watching what her end product looked like.
Yeah, kind of
motivating. If we thought that somehow it was supposed to maintain its shape,
yeah,
right, we'd have been aiming at the wrong target.
Right.
And so, if we get to the central block and it's a big block, well, that's fine. But look at that, yeah. So
whatever those bugs are, they like that.
Yeah, they.
So extra virgin,
premium select extra virgin Italian olive.
Okay, and that's what you're gonna put in the pan.
Let's go. How much you did?
It's garlic. Fresh one.
Yeah, fresh cloves are better. Okay.
What's that?
Pepper.
Ground pepper. So you're browning the garlic. Wow, that smells good, man.
Based on our volume,
Yeah.
I feel like I underdid it a little on the olive oil.
Oh, okay. A little more olive.
So we're adding a little more olive oil.
Okay.
Just based on the way it reacted when I was slithering it around.
Okay.
I always want to see that it's got wetness.
Okay, got some wetness in the pan.
Now I'm bringing it up to medium high, which is the hottest you really run non-stick ware. Flat, nice chunks.
You're basically breaking bigger chunks down with a wooden spoon by stabbing. So everything sits in the pan flatter, so everything's evenly cooked.
Because this stuff is meaty, you're not like destroying it.
Right.
It just breaks. Either where the spoon hit, or following the grain of the meat like this.
Okay.
Because it shreds. I've never had a mushroom that's shredded before like meat. I mean, these are... And I can definitely tell these would be good mushrooms even in pieces, right? So...
Ground pepper, what do you add it to rock salt?
That's water to start to mix in there, right?
Okay.
So that's actually, so they're starting to reduce just a little bit. Nice, savory. And she says she doesn't nut it as much.
Okay. Well, I think nutting made it all the difference in the world on your puffball.
Or yeah, the puffball. But
That's it.
I'm probably gonna. We backed off on the olive, which they love.
Yeah.
We upped the butter and we'll nut just a little bit on it. Just
Good.
a tiny bit of brown.
I think that's the way to go.